How to verify your ease on TikTok to go live. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can verify ease on TikTok in order to go live. So without further delay, let's get started. Before we start, we have to make sure that we meet the requirement to go live on TikTok. For that, we must be at least 18 years old and we need at least 1,000 followers. So if your ease is under 18, TikTok will block the live feature. Now to verify your ease, you have to open up TikTok in your device. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right, tap on the profile icon, tap on the three line at the top right, then head over to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down, head over to report a problem. Then again tap on first option, that is account and profile. Head over to editing profile. Here, if you have an option to change your birthday, head over to it and then you could change your birthday. If it is not here, then you could head over to other, scroll down and then tap on need more help. Then you will land on TikTok support. Here, you could simply send a message saying that you need to change the birthday. So once you send a message, it will reply you back with a form. So you have to fill up this form. Tap on the link here. Once you're here, you have to select an option. So from here, you could select an option to change your birthday. So tap on change account information. Under category, you could tap on other. Then head over to your username. Then add your email. Also your additional details. So under additional details, you could provide your reason why you need to change your birthday and why you have to verify your birthday. So here you could add an additional detail saying that you need to correct your date of birth, and you could say that you're over 80 and would like to access the live feature. After that, once you submit it, TikTok will ask you for the clear photo of your passport or any other government ID. Make sure that the name and the date of birth are visible, which will help you to verify that you're eligible to go live. Then you have to wait for TikTok's response, where you will get a reply via email or TikTok inbox. So make sure that you check it, and if you're accepted, your ease will be updated and you can start going live if you meet the other requirement. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.